Hey guys, good morning everyone. How are you all? Let's wait for a few minutes. People are still joining in. If you have any doubt, you guys can go ahead.
Okay.
Indra, regarding that data set, no? So can you please post that Excel in that July batch also? So we are not able to find in website also.
Okay, so I have uploaded in the previous batches. I think might be your batch
Mm.
is missed. I will upload in the.
Yeah. July batch you uploaded. It is not there.
Okay.
Actually, some other people also ask me, am I able to access or not? So I think no one is from my batch is able to access.
Okay. Then it seems like it is not uploaded in the portal, right?
Mm.
I'll upload it in the portal as well as I will put it in the group. KSR
Okay, sure.
PPD July 2025. That is the
Yeah,
batch.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That is the batch. Yes. Thank you, Indra.
Thank you. Cool. So guys, if you are not in the WhatsApp group, so this is the QR code that you are able to see on the top in the left side. KSR PPD session updates 2025. Please scan this code to get added in the WhatsApp group. Because I got some concern yesterday, right? Like, sir, what is the WhatsApp group? How to get added and all? I'm not there in the group. Cool, guys. Anyone, anything that you want to discuss? This is the last free preview session, guys. So from tomorrow onwards, only the people who have enrolled will be able to join. Yes, Sunita.
So in case we miss the modules or some functionality in this, in this session, then is there possibility to join with other session? I mean, with other batch, if we miss this batch,
It is possible.
in case not understanding on
Yeah,
particular
you can
topic.
go ahead and get yourself enrolled in the next batch. It is possible. But
Okay.
just try to complete it in one go because, like, if you're enrolling in with next batch, then again it will take 4 more months, right?
Yes. No. I am asking not entire, not entire course, just in case on particular topic like somewhere automation or somewhere PowerApps or somewhere else. If we not understanding, then
Yeah, anyways, you have recordings, but if you feel like you want to repeat it, you can. But obviously not multiple times you can do, but like once you can go ahead
once.
and yeah, because
Okay.
all these things, recordings and all, like it is getting stored in the cloud, right? So the moment you watch the recording, like we will add you in the batch, so it will cost us. So
Okay.
okay.
Okay. So when can we expect next batch? If in case we're not attending this batch?
In this like in the case if you are not enrolling in this batch, in the next batch
Yes.
you are asking
Yes.
after 4 months, Sunita.
After 4 months.
Yeah.
Okay. So with other timings, there are no batches
There is
like
a evening batch that is from 6 to 7.
6 to 7 IST.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is almost, I would say, 60% completed. So evening batch, new batch, we will be starting in January.
Okay. Okay, Indra. Thank you. Just wanted to know that. Yes.
Yeah. Cool. Okay, anyone, anything else? So, guys, today is the last session, so I want you to go ahead, cover everything, and I will also give you few details. So, then we will cover few DAX calculations also. So it will be a mix. Cool. Anyone else, any doubts?
Indrajit, the entire course, is it same timings?
It's same timings. Timings will always be same.
8 to 9:30.
Yeah, 8 to 9:30, correct.
Okay, Indrajit.
Like, why you have some concern about this timings?
Just I am clarifying.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's fine. Your session will start at sharp 8 a.m.
Yeah, we are working different companies now. That's why we are looking for.
Yeah, yeah. It is not like that. Like today started at 8, then it will start at 8:30, then sometime it will start at 7:30. No, it will start at sharp 8 a.m. IST. And then and the maximum time is 9:30. But if we are able to cover it early, we will end it early.
Okay, sure. If it's
Hard
possible to
stop is at
go into
9:30.
9 to 10:30,
Sorry?
if it's possible to go into 9 to 10:30.
Anish, look, like it is not feasible. Might be it suits you, but like people are working professionals, right? So
Yes,
9
yes.
to 10:30 means they need to be in office. So it is not optimized thing.
Okay, okay. Okay, Indrajit.
Yeah.
Thanks for your information.
Thank you. Yes, admin was getting unmuted. You have something? Cool, guys. So someone asked me yesterday about the placements. Like, who was that? It was Sunita or Shweta? I guess someone with S name.
I only Indrajit, but I have seen the revised brochure. No.
Yeah. So I worked with the team. So it was very good concern basically that you raised. So because as a learner, I will be getting that doubt, right? So I got in touch with Mahesh and we worked on the brochure and it is now updated. All of you have seen the updated brochure, guys?
No.
Yes.
Okay. Some people are saying no. Let me go ahead and log in and then I will show you.
Actually, it boosts us, right? We'll get confidence if
Definitely, like
people.
basically it will give you a sense of the thing. Okay, people have got the result earlier and you will be getting the confidence, right? I do
Yeah.
agree with you. I am also the same, right?
Yeah.
Just a sec. Link devices, link device. And I will tell you Google reviews also, okay, about Power Platform. Just a sec. Let it. I think a team has already shared in the group, but let me walk you guys through once again. If in any case you are not in the group. Okay. I'm sharing my screen, guys. Is it visible?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is all syllabus and all, right? So that you already know. That is the least part that you have to worry. This is on me. Obviously, you will be getting more than this, whatever is written here. Everything we can't write here. And this is the plan. Then here you go. Student placements. And guys, like this is not the all people. Why? Because might be if you are getting placed, some of you are not what to say comfortable in getting your pictures, right? You don't want to reveal your organizations. So as an individual, like these are the people for whom we have the records and we have the pictures, so we added them here. So as I told you, like Koteshwari, then this is the guy who got placed. He was from morning batch 18 LPA. Then this you already seen. Sachin, he got two offers. Look, he has not revealed the organization, so we have added some dummy organizations here. So then HP, so he got as a Power BI developer. So why Power BI developer? Because some people are already a Power BI developer and then they joined here. So then after joining, might be their job role is Power BI developer, but they are working on Power Platform also. Like for me,
Yes, Indra, let me clarify. Here, couple of students already our students previously in data analytics. Example, Rami Teja, she was a Power BI developer, Power Platform developer, and recently she wanted to join even data engineering because her current project, her package also crossed around 28 lakhs. So
yeah,
she
it's
want to get it a little more concepts. And scroll up, there is one more guy. He was also previously, his wife also. Scroll down, sorry. This guy, Dinesh. So he was also already Power BI developer, and again he need Power Apps and Automate to get a hike. Outside companies, maybe for sure. How many people here already working in Power BI, guys? Out of these 30, anyone working in Power BI currently and want to learn Power Apps or something?
Yeah, actually, me working with the Power BI.
Yeah. So lot many people already working in Power BI and their projects are clients or else when looking for outside jobs, some companies are expecting Power Apps also in their profile. Those kind of profiles also their people. Right, compared to completely migrating from one to another, some people they're using Power BI, but they need to understand Power Apps and Automate to get a better package in outside. That's the reason it's happening. Okay, yeah, scroll up some, Indra, we have any. So and again, picks I can't take everyone. Even if you who got a job in the maybe after 6 months, you people can't share everyone picks because depends on their companies. Example here, IBM and LTI Mindtree. Yes, he got both jobs, but we can't reveal which company he joined. Some people they
yeah,
don't have an issue. I am just giving their actual company name. Sometimes if they're not comfortable, I won't give the actual company name.
correct. You can see here MNC second offer, right? We have added the dummy stuff here.
Yeah, the second offer he didn't join. That one more MNC joined, but that's the reason we are not able to reveal the company name. And scroll up, one girl, she was not have ready to give the even photo. Scroll down, Lavanya. So instead of Lavanya's actual name, photo, just we given in some artificial photo. Frankly, she given initially, but after posting requested, she was not comfortable. Remove that one. You got it right. That's the reason, guys.
Guys, this is the reviews from student that you can go ahead in our website. You will be able to find. So we have compiled all the reviews like from last, I would say almost a year, which was there for Power Platform, and we added it here. Okay.
Mhm. Let me share my screen also, guys. If you want, I will show you.
Yes, Mahesh, please go ahead.
You can see here. Initially, she shared my pic, and later I removed it actually. I don't want her. She was not comfortable. So that's the reason I just removed. She learned initially Power BI here only. She got a job, and again she learned Power Platform. A second time she got a Power Platform job as well. Right. Any other questions, team? Even I'm there here, Mahesh. You can ask me any questions you have.
Is there anybody moving to non-IT to IT in
This
the list?
course will be from non-IT to IT will be suits actually. That's the reason we are guiding like people who are comfortable with a little coding, then I will suggest them data analytics. No coding, I am suggesting only Power Platform. Lot many people. Even I forgot one guy who got even 4 offers coming
Yeah.
completely from non-technical background.
Are you
Pranav
guys
Panda.
able to
Yeah.
see my screen?
Yeah, Pranav, it is.
Pranab, and let's just read this review. This will be available in Google also. We have taken from there only. Thank you, KSR team. I came here with zero knowledge on IT. You people made me to believe myself that I can sustain in IT industry. I cracked in 4 MNCs as Power Platform engineer with good package. So he was one of my student who got 4 offers after enrolling the course again. Like he also worked hard and then he got the results.
Thank you, Indrajit.
Myself, I came from non-IT background, guys. My background is biotechnology.
Do we require any SQL coding? Anything is required here?
No, we will teach that what are the concepts required. It's a platform developer completely. You don't need to be learn something newly. We will teach from very scratch.
Okay, is it like a BPM tool, like drag and drop and
Yes,
create
yes.
the?
It's a zero coding.
Okay, actually, my name is Satyam. Today only I joined. Yesterday I joined sometime, but due to some other meetings, I could not to continue yesterday class. But actually, I have experience in BPM tools, like a business process management tools, like drag and drop, creating the form, creating the workflow. Okay, or business tool, whatever it is kind of the BPM tools.
Okay.
Actually, I want to migrate. Here, there is no much jobs in my product. Okay, in market.
Yeah.
So
So
it is really,
Satyam,
yeah.
yeah, I got you. So that how you worked on BPM tool might be that can help you, but Power Platform is way more than that. It is
Mm,
not exactly drop and drag and drop. So
mm,
here basically the things that you must be doing like with the help of HTML, CSS or JavaScript, like functionality wise, it is not the thing where you will be writing heavy coding, but
mm.
as the name says, low code, no code,
No code.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
So for the some complex use cases, you will be writing scripts with the help of PowerFX, right? So that we will be covering. Like in Power BI, if you have seen, we are adding the business logic with the help of DAX, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually,
So basically,
I'm aware HTML and CSS and JavaScript
not required for this.
not required.
HTML,
Okay.
CSS not required for this.
Mm,
But if you are working as a front-end developer or back-end developer, so
okay.
even for small thing, like suppose as a front-end developer, if you want to create a button, so
Mm,
for that button, you have to write the code, right? First thing first, you have to create it using HTML. Then you
correct.
have to
Exactly.
style it using CSS, right?
Mm,
Then you have to make it functional by writing JavaScript or jQuery code,
okay.
isn't it? So here nothing is required like that. It will come out of the box, drag and drop. You can
Yeah.
change the settings, change the look and feel. And if you want to make it functional, you will write one line of code and it will be done. That also I will not code, one line of formula. That's it.
Yeah, that is, I got it. In the BPM tools also, we are going to drag the button. Then we
Yeah.
will write on logic update or we need to update any column or field. We can do it.
Correct.
But
So
here,
your VPM tool might be solving one problem, but Power Platform is
mm,
the entire universe which have solution for everything. So I
mm,
would request you to go through the first session, okay?
yeah, sorry,
Where
I
I
actually I could not join that one. So
Yeah,
I
that
will,
is fine. Recording is
uh,
available. You go ahead, go through the first recording. So
mm,
you will understand like what Power Platform is, why it is in demand, where
mm,
we will be helping you.
okay. How is job market in this one? It
Job
is good.
market is very good, Satyam. Like even
Mm,
yesterday, I was interacting with the guy. Like he's
mm,
from my evening batch. Okay, and
okay,
all of you know, like this is the what to say. This is not the hiring time. This
mm,
is I would say hiring freeze time, right?
exactly.
December because people are having Christmas holidays.
Mm,
Like in previous peak, there was Thanksgiving. Everyone was on leave, so he
exactly.
got laid off. Okay, he was
Mm,
working in an organization where like his job was to make PPTs and
okay,
he got laid off. So then he called me. I got on a call with him. So we discussed. So then he was asking me, okay, should I go ahead with the interviews or should I wait? So then he updated some CVs, okay?
mm,
And then he updated the CV on the LinkedIn.
okay,
So LinkedIn and Naukri profile. You will not believe he got 3 interview calls.
okay,
Three
okay,
interviews are scheduled. Okay.
okay.
So for Power Platform, opportunities in the market are very high as at this point of time. Only thing is you should know what it is, how to do integrations, how to perform various concepts. So opportunity wise, you don't worry. You will have ample number of opportunities in the market.
Yeah, good. Actually, I bit confused. Actually, I'm working on BPM tool, but market is not good. I'm a bit confused to where to go. Is it go to AML or is it go to cybersecurity? Which platform we need to go migrated? But uh, anyway, I joined. It seems to be good compared to other things. It is easy to learn. Okay, low
Yeah,
code, no code.
definitely. Like
Yeah.
as of now in the market, which is the current trend, like you have good number of opportunities in Power Platform, low code, no code, and data engineering. Other than
Okay.
that, all other profile has less opportunities like, as at this point of time. Right, Mahesh? Am
Yeah,
I
maybe
right?
who are already working in Power BI, they can able to explain even better, I guess, current market situation, why they are
I
learning
do.
Power.
I don't have Power BI
No, no,
experience,
no,
but
not
I
for
have
you. I'm
the.
just asking.
Mm,
Someone here already working in Power BI, right? Priyanka,
mm.
right?
Yeah.
Yeah, Priyanka, can you just for a clarification, other people also will get an understanding, like why you particularly want learning Power Apps?
Power Apps, no. Actually, I have the experience in Power BI,
Mm-hmm.
but when I get into the office, like the environment will be like they were using Microsoft Fabric, and
Mm-hmm.
the data is fetching from the D365. They were migrated to the D365. Before they were
Mm-hmm.
using some other software, they were migrated to the D365. Now
Okay.
they want the reports from there.
Mm-hmm.
So if I want to fetch the data from the D365, I should know something like from the front
Mm.
end, Power
Yes.
Apps and all. Yeah,
Yeah.
that would be better for
Got it.
me.
Exactly.
Only
So,
using the Power BI, it's not
mm.
sufficient. That is what I'm
Yes.
thinking.
Yes.
So in
Yes.
that way also I want to
Yes.
explore. So
Yeah.
We
yeah,
need to
Team
learn
Power.
Power BI also here.
and I don't know the Microsoft
Yes.
Fabric.
Yes.
I don't know.
Okay. Okay.
Only
Got it.
BI desktop only, and
Yeah. Yeah.
that
Got
is
it.
the way.
Yeah. So yes,
Okay.
initially we are starting with the Power BI only, guys. Out of Power Platform, Power BI share only 10 to 15% actually. But what
Okay.
happened because of the source are not available, companies are hiring Power BI people and they're asking them to work on Power Platform. Who already
Mm.
working on Power BI in their projects, they're asking them to work on Power Platform by learn.
Okay.
That's the reason I just want to raise this concern. There is a huge gap between demand and supply.
Actually, my side here, I don't have Power BI experience, but I have another BI tool experience. I
Not
have.
required. No, no. It's just
Mm.
I'm explaining
Mm.
the demand for that. It's
Mm.
not required to have any BA tool here. So we can learn from the very scratch. Just giving an example why they are forcing them to work on Power Apps. Just because they have one Power BI tool. So particularly those people are need to work on Power Platform now.
Okay. One more thing. Where do we practice all these things? Will you provide this instance, everything?
We
Is
will
it cloud
provide
or?
even Power BI license.
Mm.
For sure, Priyanka also not using Power BI Premium. Right, Priyanka?
Oh, yeah, they were using
So
Fabric.
now
Uh,
maybe we are using Pro, but here we will provide Power BI Premium
I need
license.
license. I have to practice everything at
Yes,
home,
yes.
so I need data, everything.
Exactly. We will
So
provide license. You will get an email ID like Priyanka at ksr.com, Satyam at
okay.
ksr.com, Nawaz at ksr.com. That license will be activated with the Power
Mm,
BI Premium license, Power Apps license, Power Automate license.
So
okay.
is it how many days it will be
It's
valid
a
this
2 months
license?
for premium version and 10 months for pro. The premium license costing $24 per month and pro costing around $14 per month. But we will bear. You
Okay.
no need to pay any additional penny for that.
Okay. We'll get it
Thank
10 months. So even the course
Yes,
has been
1 year.
completed.
Altogether,
Mm.
it's 1 year.
1 year. Okay.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Do you need any system requirement? Is it configuration is normal ISI laptop? It is fine,
Yes,
correct?
no, sir. It's a cloud only, right? It's normal. Any
It's
i5 laptop
fine.
is
Mm.
fine. But very older version i3 maybe won't work. It may stuck. But recent
Mm.
i3 or else at least i5 laptop will work.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
Nawaz, you
Nawaz,
have
you have
anything?
raised your hand. Please go ahead.
Hmm.
Yes, sir. Sorry. So, good morning, sir. So,
Yeah.
actually, I wanted to know that in this curriculum, so will you be able to teach SPFX elsewhere? I heard that there is.
SPFX, yeah, SPFX is SharePoint development, Nawaz. That is different thing altogether.
No, I did check that description for the job description for Power Platform. That is also included for SPFX. So that's the
That
reason I.
can be good to have skill because might be they are looking for Power Platform plus SharePoint developer. Even I am working as a Power Platform plus Dynamics developer from last 7 years. I never used SPFX as being a Power Platform developer. Might be some job description they have put some keyword, but it is not required. If you are targeting SharePoint roles, then it is bread and butter. But if you are into Power Platform, it is not required. It has nothing to do with the Power Platform. It is for SharePoint development.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Sorry, Mahesh, I guess you were saying something.
Yeah, no, I'm just asking him only like to ask question. Nothing.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Anyone else? Anything, guys?
Yeah, Indra, how effective our GitHub profile is to build our portfolio?
How effective your GitHub profile is to build your portfolio? Did you already have the GitHub profile, Tushar?
Yeah, I have a GitHub account. So someone from my friend, I mean from my office, so he told me like if you already doing something in a Power BI, so put that in a GitHub. So it will help you to create a profile, and that GitHub link can directly attach to your resume and so in the LinkedIn account. So is it really works?
Tushar, like, let me be very honest. Like, I never created this thing even in my college and not in my organization, like in my entire career of 7 years.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So we
What
are going to be
matters,
anyway, Indra. We are going to be help you to build this portfolio. It's our own portfolio. You just need to drag and drop your GitHub link, your LinkedIn link, and your resume, your self
Mm-hmm.
intro, and what are the skills you are aware. It is a couple of our previous students, their projects, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this portfolio and your certifications, if you got any certifications. So he was
Uh,
our mentor also. Just we taken our initial copy from him. That's the reason I'm showing his profiles. Okay. And
Mahesh,
also,
you are not sharing your screen. Are you sharing it?
yes. Okay. Let me share again then.
Yeah. Yes, now people will be able to see.
Right. Okay. So
Yeah.
these are freshers also I'm sharing. Just a freshers profiles also recently. Um, yeah. You can see here the people's profiles. So your pick, you are able to see, right, my screen?
yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So the name, his designations, his pick, his GitHub link, his LinkedIn link, his resume, and his self intro. Okay. After that, his technical skills. Once you are while completing this course only, we are going to be help you with the step by step. Okay. So what are the projects you done also? We are going to be give it here, and you are going to be explain that project in record. This will help you to boost your confidence also. I will show you one fresher. She was not even completed the course just 2 months back. She joined. So she was coming from agriculture BSc background and she was ready to learn data science, not even Power Platform, guys. She was ready to learn, and I clearly explained it's a little difficult, but getting a job as a fresher, this is the one of the opportunity to get into the data science and AI concepts. So you can see her. Maybe you are able to hear voice.
I am Nema and I am from Nashropeta. I have completed my graduation in Agricultural College Bapatla. Post that I have joined in KSR Datavision for learning data science. During that I built a strong foundation.
So she has also explained her projects also. Only one project reason it's her course is not yet fully completed. What are the topics covered so far? She was explaining one project. So she was trying for internships also now.
Okay.
Similar way, all our profiles also you can able to explain. Maybe you are already working professionals, you can't reveal your client name, but at least the kind mode of work you can explain in this project.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So it will help you when any recruiter are looking for jobs and from the LinkedIn directly, we can just simply send this link. Hi, this is Mahesh. I'm looking for a job. This is my portfolio. And this self intro and this project explanation will help us to boost confidence. Maybe in the directly by looking at this, they may be not getting a call. But while recording this conversation, you may take at least 3 to 4 times.
Correct.
You won't get any confusion while giving the answers in actual interview. Apart from that, we built even our own mock interview tool also. This tool will help you to check your resume ATS score, compatibility score, and also particularly any one company you are applying, that company JD, example, he asked like one JD, some companies are asking some F1, I'm not aware about that actually. So if any that mismatching skills are there, it will highlight there. If really required, we can know and we can add and we can send our actual resume, final version of the resume. Once resume is done, we have a multiple options. We can take a mock interview directly. A system will shoot the questions. You can take the entire conversation. After that, you can download your video. Once actual mock interview is done, right, you can download your video so that you can get to know where you are lacking, and it will give the direct results also.
Okay.
Okay, it's a completely built by our team only, and multiple choice questions usually they won't ask in the actual interview, but it will help you to like a brainstorming. Example, only Power BI is done, only Power Apps is done. You can take a multiple choice question only on that particular Power Apps. Imagine guys, if you are taking 10 times interview, 10 times it may won't repeat the same questions, different questions. Some questions may repeat, it depends on the JD. So for sure, it will predicting 40% interview questions depends on the company name and JD. If you have a JD and your resume, so its interview questions are predicting at least 40%. So when you are giving multiple interviews, for sure, the percentage of chances to clear interview, it will become huge. How many guys here felt like because of one interview or two questions, maybe we failed an interview? You know, even though you know the question, but you failed to answer properly during actual interview. Did you face this kind of issue in your real time, guys? Anyone? You know the answer, but still you failed an interview just because of low confidence at that time or else confusion.
Yes, Mahesh, it happens.
Yeah. So those kind of things, when we are practicing multiple times here, it will be reduced those kind of situations. Before failing an actual interview, you can fail here multiple times. So here failures will be one step closer to your success, guys. We can fail here 10 times also. Okay. Any questions here? You guys can try this
Yes,
one. It's if you want this, you can note it down the number, that web address. You can try it.
yes. I would like to know for how long do we going to have access for this tool?
This tool, it's actually only 3 interviews. It depends on the interviews range. 3 interviews, it's free. After that, we have to be paid some fees. It's a different
Because
actually.
okay, and also
Mm.
for from my end, I don't want just to do the Power Platform course. I want to go also for the data engineer course. So I just want to understand for how long I'm going to have access, because I want to do this one and then go for the other one because I want to specialize myself in data the data field.
Got
So
it.
just that's why I'm
1
asking
year,
for
1 year. We can use,
how
usually it's
long we're
depends
going
on
to
the
have.
time and total interviews. So if required anything, maybe we can extend that value.
Okay.
Hmm. Because
Okay.
interviews
Okay.
we can't
Okay.
keep on attend entire year, right? Usually like a 2 months, 3 months, within the 2, 3 months, we need to be finished our interview. That's the reason we are managing like a interview based instead of a time duration basis.
Understood.
Yeah. Okay.
Some people is asking Microsoft Dynamics CRM also required its Power Apps. Is it true?
That's the integrations part, not completely Dynamic 365. It's in a CRM. It's a different concept, different course as well. It's in a CRM tool actually.
Yes. Here this course will be covering integrations also,
Yes,
REST
yes.
API, all
Integrations
this.
we are covering. Yes.
Okay. With the third-party
Yes.
application.
Even Java also. But those are integrations part, JavaScript, I guess. Right, Indra?
Yeah. Here integration part, do we require?
Yeah,
Actually,
Satyam,
we are
like
not.
please
We are
go through
team.
the first recording. I have explained very
Okay.
clearly what is
Okay.
Dynamics, what is Power Platform. Okay. So we will be covering everything here. Just we will not be touching the coding part. When you go
Okay.
to Dynamics, you can use JavaScript for front end and for back end, you can use C sharp plugins. So obviously we will not be covering C sharp coding and all. Other than that, we will be covering everything. When you say integrations, we will be integrating Power BI in Canvas apps and Canvas apps in model driven apps, then Power Automate with Canvas app, Power Automate with model driven app. All those things we will be covering.
Okay.
Okay. But please go through the first sessions. It
Sure.
will help you a lot.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
Good.
Yeah, thank you,
Fine,
guys.
guys.
Indra, maybe you can explain how to pay also, or else let me share my screen only. The course fees point of view as well. I will explain side by
Okay.
side.
Okay.
Cool.
Just give me a second. Just give me a second, guys. I will close this. Yeah. So you can just go to the Google, guys. KSR Datavision. Okay, this is our website. Click on sign in. You can create an account if it's the first time sign up. If you already have an account, you can just sign in here. Okay, I do have an account already. Because I do have these dummy courses, it's showing more content here, but you can simply go to explore courses and paid sessions. Here is your course, Microsoft Power Platform. Okay, you can buy from here directly, or else you can approach our team as well. Anything is fine.
Is it installments are there? Is it one
Yeah,
time
you can pay in installments also. Let me show you. Okay. So 3 installments. One time maybe it will reduce. Maybe you can approach our team. Maybe they will give you coupon code, or else they will give any other option. So 3 installments, you can pay 10,000, 10,000. You can pay like 10,200. Later it may come to the 9,800 something. Every month installment will changes. And the payment part again, you can use all the payment gateways, UPIs, cards, EMI, net banking, some wallets, pay later. So all these options we do have. For anyone from US or Canada, they can use their cards. We have Amex card as well. Visa, Amex. Okay. So you can use any of these cards. If you need any support, we can approach our team directly. They can able to help you. Yeah. Any questions here, guys?
After enrolling the sessions, how long we will be available in videos? Please.
Records. Yeah. So records ideally only 1 year. Yes, it's not lifetime, only 1 year. After 1 year, if required, you can just give me a call. We will extend, but I just need to understand the reason. My intention personally, I will feel like within 1 year, you should get an expert in this particular concepts and you should get job already. Even after 1 year, it's required. I need to understand any issues from my side or else any issue from your side. Only the 2 reasons. First, we failed to teach you well. Maybe you failed to learn well.
Got it.
We will get a call and we will inquiry what exactly happened. Like some cases, students got a job, but at that time they didn't get a chance to work on Power Automate. Now they want to shift. At that time, after 2 years also, they will call me and I will extend. They want to change into the interviews. Now they are expecting Power Automate. Just I want to reshape again. I want to check one more time. That's the reason I need. Some cases, no, Mahesh, I didn't get chance at that time. I drop in between. Now I am trying for jobs. I need extension. Yes, we will do extension. Again, we will help them with the resume building. Again, if they have not need any support on placement, I will conduct placement sales session every alternate day. It's a Monday, Wednesday and Friday and different time zones. Monday at 11 o'clock, Wednesday at 4 o'clock and Friday at 7 p.m. So you guys can join directly. What I'm promising today, getting in a call, it's a purely my responsibility. You can shoot me the question there. Mahesh, now I'm not getting calls. It's your responsibility to help me. I will take care. Getting in a call, it's a purely my responsibility. If you are not getting calls, it's a my failure. After getting call, it's your high choice how to clear the interview. Right? Even here also, I will take one more responsibility. If you come back to me, come back to us saying like, Mahesh, there is one question which is not covered in our course curriculum. So we are happy to help those kind of concept if any is really required. Depends on the batch to batch, at least 5% concepts we are changing frequently. Depends on the market requirement, guys. We are going to be add some new topics. Interview questions also frequently we will re-record and also trainer will take care of 3 to 4 sessions within the class itself to how to explain the interview and how what kind of question they are asking. At least 50 to 100 questions we are going to be explain one-on-one kind of the question and answer in the end of the course.
Yeah, at the end, and now we will be like as we discussed, Mahesh, after every module, we will be having a dedicated interview session
Yes, yes.
where we will be covering interview question for that module.
Yeah. Example, now Power BI concepts are completed. So what kind of questions from Power BI part we may get? Those kind of questions we are discussing. Once Power Apps module is completed, what kind of Power Apps questions may shoot in real entry, we are going to be explaining here. And my request from you guys, be active in LinkedIn. What kind of assignments we are kind of discussing here, try to make a post in LinkedIn. Example, today what concept you are planning to teach, Indra, today?
Yeah, we will be continuing DAX.
DAX. Example, like a Power BI DAX he was discussing, like you can try to write an article on Power BI DAX. How Power BI DAX is helping for data analyst and platform developer. Example, I'm just giving an idea. So you can even do research, you can use even ChatGPT, but try to write your own words by taking the Indra's examples. By completing this course, it may take 4.5 months, right? Meantime, your profile looks like a platform developer. If any recruiter or manager looking at your profiles, guys, Satyam, example Satyam, if they open your LinkedIn profile, you already started posting on a Power BI, Power Apps, Power Automate, right? If they are
Okay.
looking at your profile, they can able to see, yes, he was a platform engineer, Power Platform developer.
Okay.
Maybe you guys can detect like it depends on my Facebook or Instagram profile, what kind of person I am, right? Maybe if I'm
Yeah,
traveling,
same.
maybe I'm a traveling guy.
Actually, what happened in my LinkedIn, my company people, colleagues also,
Mm.
they're
So
there.
for
But if
that,
I add
in
suddenly
LinkedIn, we
Power
have an
Apps, all these
option. We
things.
can hide all your current company's employees. They can't see your profile.
Okay.
You can do see research. You will get to know. So we can hide all your posts to not to watch your company's people
Okay.
who are working in the same company. They can't see your profile. Okay, you can do that way. So because nowadays, maybe particularly if anyone from US, they are mandatorily asking their LinkedIn account before scheduling interview.
So regarding the LinkedIn, it's going to be building an aid from the
Yes. We will conduct a
about
frequent
LinkedIn
session on
profile.
LinkedIn. Yes, we will. We will. Not only LinkedIn, we will conduct session on email activities. We will conduct session on presentation skills as well. The soft skills.
Oh, okay.
How to write an email.
Appreciate
I
it.
can see free pay from the students, like a particularly youngsters. They are writing emails to me as well, like in a WhatsApp chat. So we are explaining them like this is not the right way to write any email in professional. So how to write an email also we are explaining, and also we will take an additional sessions on weekends with the industry experts, not with the same trainer. Different experts we will hire frequently, and they are going to be explained.
Okay.
Okay, you can see in our channel last couple of sessions happened on email, and last week only happened on presentation skills also. Okay. Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
Excuse.
Yeah,
So
Priyanka.
there is no any other session, I mean, other timing batches.
Currently, this is the time. One more batch, maybe in the evening time, in Jan end, maybe it will start. Currently, this is the morning 8 to 9:30. Reason all our courses either early morning or late evenings only. These guys are working all the trainers. They have to finish class here and they have to just start their job. Indra also will handle only two batches. One is the morning, another one is evening.
So evening will be available from January.
Mostly Jan. Jan, right, Indra? It will finish in the current batch.
Yeah, almost Jan second week.
Second week. Maybe after Sankranti, Pongal and all, we may plan.
So that will be what timing in the evening?
6 to 7. That is 1 hour only, honestly. Reason he had a meeting at 7 o'clock. So we are taking only 1 hour for that session.
Yeah. Why?
Six
Because
to
no, in
seven.
the morning it's so
Yeah.
hectic
So
actually.
what you can do, if
It
you are
will be
comfortable,
perfect.
currently you can join this batch and you can switch to evening batch once the new batch starts. You don't need to pay any additional amount.
Oh,
Batch
okay.
switching is possible within a year.
Okay, fine then. Thank you.
Yeah. But we just need some reason, any issues or something so that we can able to shift any.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other questions, team?
Yeah, so
Yeah.
Sana.
Okay, continue.
Yeah, so sir, I wanted to know like the job placement you were talking about, will they be like entry level only or like how many years will that be for?
No, it's a experience based only. Example, that is the one photo Ramya Teja. She got a package of 35 lakhs. To be frank, that is the huge amount I had for a platform developer in KSR. I suggested her don't delay on only delay on Power Platform, learn data engineering also.
So like if in case like I'm from a non-IT background, so if in case I want to shift into IT and then
So how many
it's
years of experience you are holding, ma'am, so far?
in a completely different
No, that's what it's a work experience, right? Teacher might be. Example, I'm saying. Which kind of domain it is? Hello?
architecture. It's architecture.
Architecture role. Yes, we
Yeah.
can showcase that experience into the Power Apps also, at least 1 to 2 years.
Okay.
You are
So
working for an
basically
organization or else a freelancer?
for a firm.
Firm only, right? For firm, we can showcase, we built an application for them. Even while completing this course, you will get an idea also how to build a small application for your firm. You can able to even build.
Got it, sir. So basically you'll be putting it as 2 years of experience that I've already worked on Power Platform.
Yes, yes.
Got it. So
Reason,
but it
example, maybe your package currently 8, 10 or 12 lakhs. Example, I'm not sure. So why a fresher companies need to pay 15 lakhs?
got
Right?
it.
Instead of that, we are focusing. That's the reason our course duration also lengthy. We are trying to learn every concept and equal to a 4 years experience guy, how much knowledge is going to be there, that much we are going to be deliver here.
Got it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
What about do you have any certification for this Power Apps here?
Our platform, we can write an exam for Microsoft. It is a PL 600 and what other two 900 also. Indra, I forget the names. There are too many.
Yeah, there are a lot of certifications. So after this course, you can go ahead and start with PL 900. Okay. 900 is Power Platform Fundamentals. Then you have PL 200, PL 100, PL 400, PL 600. Again, like what are these? I explained very clearly in the first session. Please go through the recording. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
This certification also, if possible, we will provide even coupons also, depends on the availability. Our team will take sessions, how to take it. Even sometimes we'll get a complete free. Sometimes coupons you will get up to 50% discount. We need to pay fees for Microsoft and need to write exam.
Hi.
Yeah, hi.
Actually, getting a job is one big thing, and after placing a job and working in the role and working on some projects and getting some challenges in those projects,
Hmm.
different challenge.
Yes.
So after getting a job, can I get any support if I facing challenges in the work?
Uh,
To solve the issues.
Yeah, I will
Mahesh,
finish
can I
it.
answer that?
Yeah, even I will answer. Just give me a second. First of all, our student won't get a chance to depend on the someone's support, Joy. That's the
Okay.
reason it's a lengthy content. Maybe you are still not happy. Maybe it's required. By saying yes, we will. No, we won't encourage that reason. Joy, like if you want to go to office 5 days a week, how I can able to help you?
Yeah.
Right? Don't at all depend on like that kind of mindset. Maybe I need someone's help to
Yeah,
clear your
it's a
day-to-day
last
task.
option for me to
No, that's not
reach
at
out
all
to.
required. You can able to do the job by yourself. That is our motto. If really required, yes, you can give me a call and ask me, or else you can give me a call to Indra. You can ask me, like we will give the suggestions. But
Yeah.
people are expecting like a one-on-one kind of work support. That may be not possible, honestly.
Not
That
kind of
won't even
support.
encourage.
For example, if a kind of challenge I faced in that,
Mm.
so even ChatGPT also accountable to answer sometimes.
Yes, yes. Our group will be relay, and that's the reason our WhatsApp group also keeping it active for particularly the paid students. We have separate community groups. There you
Mm.
can post your queries. Most of the cases, your students will answer.
Mm.
Your colleagues, your friends, you will answer in that.
Okay.
So if
Why?
really
Because
required, we can take individual supports. We have a communities we can, but don't think like we will take work support easily can survive. Just plan it here. You have to be work and you have to be clear your queries.
because Power Platforms is always evolving, so we need to learn about the latest updates in the
Yes.
tools and need to work on
Yeah.
that latest tools,
Yeah.
latest features on that.
Yeah.
So
And
Usually
it's the
the
latest
one
for your
last.
manager as well, right?
Sorry.
It's the latest for your manager also.
Yeah, for manager also.
Yeah.
So our
How
client
you are
client.
managing is important here.
Yeah, 1 year back the Power Apps is different, and now the Power Apps is different.
Yes,
So
yes, that's true.
yeah.
Indra, maybe if you want, you can add some.
Hmm.
Yeah, I think Mahesh, you have covered most of the things, but still I want to reiterate once again. So, guys, when we were designing this course, it is not an interview guide where which you will go ahead and clear the interviews. We are covering interview questions, like, and then you will be clearing the interviews. When we were designing, our main motto was to basically sustain in the job so that you can go ahead and end to end create a project. You will be self-sufficient. Okay. So interviews is the byproduct of the course. It is not the motto of the course. Okay. So when we designed and when we are implementing, you must have seen like we have covered very less, like right, because this is just the fifth session and most of the sessions were introductory. So everything is a project driven. And when it comes to the new feature joy, if you come to any technology, if you go to any technology, features will keep on getting added, right? You
Yes.
can't expect lifetime support for any course.
Yes.
Okay. So once you will have everything in with you, if new feature is getting added, there will be Microsoft documentation. There will be various other stuff that you will be getting. So
Yeah.
learning that again, like it's an individual responsibility, right? So like in Java also, Java is how much older language, right? It's a lot. It is existing from last almost I guess 2 decades. So every time Oracle is releasing new updates, they are updating something in Java, they are removing something in Java. So if you have to sustain in IT, so you have to accept the change. So there will be few concepts which are getting added, there will be few which will be removed. But it will not be like that, okay, you are waking up in the morning and PowerApps is completely changed and everything that you learned is obsolete. It will not happen like that. There will be some changes 2 to 5% here and there that you have to be aware of. Okay.
So I can understand, guys, your concern because these work support become as a business now. I can see lot many people are so making like we are going to be give work support on paid basis also. But our intention it's not required for you because every time it may won't work by depending on someone else work support. If they're asking to come to office 5 days a week, right? So you can able to get caught if you are depending on someone's work. So that's the reason we are not encouraging. But still, reality, if you may stuck, yes, you can call. Even I will get a call from after 2 3 years also from students. Sometimes their office politics issue. Also, yesterday I got a call. Even a month back, she got an appreciation, and suddenly yesterday they started keeping an PIP. She called me. I said it's a, like unofficially they are asking to throw you out. So maybe within a month or 2 months they are want to throw you out. So it's a heads up to you. Look for another job. Start applying right now. Don't delay time. Don't think it's a December something. You can start applying right now. Their intention want to throw you out. That's the reason. I asked all the things what happened exactly. They had someone less package than her as a replacement. So those kind of questions also I'm going to be discussed with them and we are going to be help them. Not only technical.
Thank you for very clear.
Yeah.
And I have read some company reviews on that. I read some negative responses on that in this role also. So it's the role and the company atmosphere is different from company to company.
Yeah.
So
So
yeah.
that layoffs will happen only the people who holding more than 5 years experience most of the times. 90% I can see.
Yeah.
Again, 70% who are working in the same company from last 4 to 5 years without getting any updated concepts. Those people will get layoff easily. Maybe if anyone working here from 5 years same project, please be awake. Try to understand new concepts. Try to job outside. And my suggestion also, try interview every year. That not mean you want to change the company. Just give an interview. You will get an idea like what happening in the market. Same work, same project, same client. We won't get any new things. Once company completely want to change the things, our job will be get laid off. Right? It may happen to some anyone here, like working in one company from long years, now they job in threat or something, guys. Your thoughts also will help some others to be active in the reality. Anyone here working in same company from 5 6 years? Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm working in the same company for 5 years. Actually, we are introducing AI to my role. So, for different other opportunities.
Yeah, that is happening everywhere.
Yeah.
Myself also working since 4 years. They asked me to integrate with AA. Okay. Finally, they want to showcase you don't know AA, you're not upgraded.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly, team. So that's the reason I'm just requesting every year, like take it as a concept, January to April in between, you have to clear an interview. That not mean you want to change the company. When you are not even getting a call, your resume is outdated. You have to be update your resume with the new skills. Once you are updated and you maybe approach multiple people like me or else like an internet, you got to know what kind of skills required you are added and you got calls, but you are not able to clear in the sense you are not confident enough with those skills. You have to be do practice and you have to be clear the interview. Now you cleared the interview, you got a better offer. Changing a company or not, depends on you. You are not comfortable to change the company for the 20 to 30% hike, stay there. But suddenly after 6 months, your job is in threat. You don't need to be worried because at just 4 5 months back only you cleared one offer. You know what to do. But after 4 5 years, they're in confusion what to learn and how to sustain in the next couple of years. Because you are updated, you will get to know what you have to be do the next, even though your job in threat. Right, Satyam?
Yeah.
Exactly,
Correct.
sir.
One more thing here, you're asking me to after this PowerApps, data engineering is also we can do it. That is separate course.
That's a separate course, yes, step by step. Like our students are similar way. Like I did also, you want to join even data engineering also. Here, all the courses are some integrations will be there, like a Power BI to Power Apps to data science to data engineering. Particularly in data field, we have an option. Our entire tenure we can stay within the data.
Okay. Data means data science with Gen AI or data engineering.
Data engineering have a different and data science is the different, but some concepts around 25 to 30% or topics are similarity will be there. So it depends on your interest. You can learn either data engineering or data science after that. And it's up again depends on the package. If your package already 25, I won't suggest even Power Platform. Even in the Power Platform course itself, I'm saying this.
Okay. For example, if the package is a huge package, for example, it is Power Platform is enough, or do we need to upgrade more?
That's what, like a Power Platform, the maximum package I seen 35. Even on the last call we discussed about this also. Even Indra said, even he seen the people who holding just 30 35 the maximum. Indra getting more reason he knows the data engineering concepts.
Okay.
That's the reason. So we explain this one also. If your package already 20 is crossing, then I won't suggest this course honestly. But you are not comfortable to fit completely with the coding under, yes, one step like up to 25 to 30 we can try here, but after 30 is again it may be risky. If any issues in the organization, we will be the first person to get laid off.
Exactly.
Yeah. Up to 25 there is no issue, easily we can get it, but after 25 there is a pressure. Your current package 18 lakhs 15 lakhs and expecting 2025, it's fine, but already 20s maybe I won't suggest. People are there who got a 35, that Ramiteja got a 35 lakhs only in Power Platform, but it's exceptional cases. All right. So any other questions, team?
Do
I
we
have
have
one
any
experience in non-IT.
Actually, I need to drop. Actually, I have a meeting.
Yeah, sure, Satyam. That's
Thank
fine.
you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah. So
do
you have
we have
anything?
any other paid courses like just for Power Apps or in combined like Power Apps and Power Automate?
Yeah, here Power Apps and Automatically main other concept just like an add-ons. Power BI hardly 10 or 15 days. Power Apps and Power Automatically will kill almost 75% of the curriculum.
Okay. And in the like the roadmap, the project section was like for like 10 to 15 days.
Yes, yes.
So what kind of like it will be a real-time project?
Yes.
How?
So we are going to be building new applications. We are making the automation for the same thing, and also we are building the reports for that.
Will be Soham, it will be real-time project. You will be able to learn like how to build application from very scratch, how to build intuition behind building the feature. So everything we will be learning from very scratch. So you will be basically getting how to integrate, and we will be covering various scenarios that I, being a Power Platform developer, has implemented in many projects, and I will be sharing the use cases, like what we implemented, what were the issues that we faced.
It won't be a basic apps, right?
Definitely, Soham. If it would have been a basic app, so then how people will
Okay.
be cracking this much offers, right? So
Yeah.
Okay.
And also
definitely,
maybe just my another thought, you can check meanwhile some other organizations like who are teaching
yeah,
this, check the duration. Most of the cases they will finish in 45 days.
Yeah. Yes.
So the duration here 4 months, that's the reason actually to go in depth. And we are the Hanava, proudly we can say we are the only people who are providing Power PA or Power Apps license as well. So hum at ksr.com, you are going to be get an email ID how an organization provide. For the same, we are activating with the Power Apps and Power Automate license to practice real-time case studies and scenarios. You will get to know maybe next 2-3 classes only without license and with license what will the major difference. I guess maybe in 3-4 days we need to be provide links, sorry accounts, the license for a Power App, Power BI and Power Apps.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So our actual day one will be starting from today or tomorrow,
No, it
or
started 5 days
already
back only.
started.
First 5 classes also, it's a demos only, but that not mean like we are not covering anything. It's a technical concepts. Tomorrow onwards, it's a paid sessions.
So it will be
Yeah.
day one, right, for paid?
No, paid it's a day
No,
one.
Okay.
Technically,
no.
it's a day 6, but paid point of
Basics.
view, yes.
So as per course is concerned, tomorrow will be the sixth session. Okay,
Yeah.
Okay.
not first session.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay, guys, maybe I kill your time, it seems today. So maybe
I,
another 30 minutes you can take the session, Indra, today.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
have
that
one
is fine.
question.
I have
Yeah.
one
Yes.
concern. I
Yes.
have
Yes.
4 years experience in non-IT.
Mhm.
After completing this course, can I sustain with 4 years experience into Power
Yeah.
Platform?
Anish, my background is biotechnology and organic chemistry. I worked in pharma company for 3 years. Now I'm running this institution. I learned SAP, I learned data science, I learned data analytics, and I worked in data engineering as well. And here, most of the people in KS are coming from completely non-IT background. Also, they don't have even any prior experience, but still they are sustaining with the experience. Anish, I'm not sure which part of India you are. Maybe may I know?
Investment banking.
Bangalore only. So you are hearing about the fake profile they are getting caught during the background verifications, right?
Yeah.
Bangalore. So they don't have even any experience, but they get a caught because of the documentation, not because of the work. In industry, it's happening, right? So get the sustainability, it depends on how you learn and how you are managing. Easily 4 years, but I can suggest you in your case, 2 years you can showcase in data power platform, rest 2 years you can showcase your actual work. And we will guide you like how to modify your resume depends on your same client, same project, but only work with the Power Apps. In fact, we can try to create one application for your current project also. Just a kind of a dummy. Example, one of our students working for in a hospital. So she made an application for a hospital to verify like how many doctors are today attended and how many patients they attended, how much revenue they generated. She made an application. I guess Ranjini Roy, right, Indra? Similar kind of application you can able to build.
Yeah,
Someone
it
also
was
get work.
Ranjini.
Exactly.
Yeah,
You can,
total 4 years in the same company is only one company. We can manage 2 years like that, putting experience.
sorry, I lost you guys.
I have 4 years experience in only one company.
That's fine. That's fine. Example, internal transfers are happens.
Mahesh, I have one question.
Yeah, Sunita, you can ask.
So, as you said, day one onwards, you are going to start marketing, right? So, for
Marketing
the
in the sense, a LinkedIn point of view, that not mean resume building and resume is sending to the every recruiter. I explained, right? So today example, he
okay,
explained about DAX and to start applying in a posting in the LinkedIn.
okay.
Yeah.
So, you are saying that in LinkedIn we should be active
Yes, our
by
LinkedIn will
posting
start
this.
from day one. So understanding from the interview point of view will start from the day one.
Okay.
The LinkedIn post will help you after 4 months. Your profile looks like a platform developer after 4 months, right?
Yes, correct.
At least 10 posts per month, 40 posts. If anyone scrolling your profile, everything related to platform only.
Okay.
That's the reason it will help us.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah. Any other questions, team? Hope all good. Yeah, Indra, he can take it.
Yeah, thank you, Mahesh. So, guys, let's get started. So, basically, most of our time went into doubt session, clearing the doubts and all, and that is fine because this was the last free preview session. So, from tomorrow onwards, guys, we will be having full-fledged class. So, I will be starting at 5 minutes. I will be giving you in the beginning where you can ask me anything, and then we will be having a full session. Then, last 15 minutes will be the doubt session where we will be discussing the doubts. Okay. So it will not happen from tomorrow onwards. So I hope that is fine, right?
Yeah, yes.
Cool. So guys, I have given you one homework yesterday. How many of you are able to do that? Or how many of you remember what was the homework?
Yes, I have tried that.
You tried? Were you able to crack it?
Yes, I have
Yes.
listened the if statement and the unlogic operator and the DAX query. So
Okay.
get that.
So can all of you raise the hand who were able to crack it or who have tried but not able to crack? So to raise the hand, guys, go to chat section there. You will be getting it. Okay. Sushma tried. Veronica tried. Only two people. Nawaz also tried. Three people only. Cool. So guys, let me
I
share
also.
the solution. Okay, Jaseen also tried. Very good. So is there anyone in the class who have tried but was not able to implement? All of you were able to implement who have tried?
Yes, Indra, I got it.
Very good. So now you are getting that confidence boost after implementing it.
Yes,
Yes.
definitely.
Very good. So guys, let me go ahead and implement that DAX functionality, what we discussed yesterday, and then let's see how it works. Okay. As I know, like there will be a lot of you who have not tried, or for there will be few people for whom this is the first class. Okay. So for the people, for this is the first class, guys, please go through the recording of the previous session. So in the previous session, I have given a requirement. So requirement, let me reiterate once again. Okay. So requirement was if a product has reviews between 1 to 2000, then we will be marking the product category as, what was the name? 1 to 2000, guys.
Needs to improve.
Needs to improve, right? So product will be marked as needs to improve. If it is between 2000 to 5000, then it will be marked as
Average.
very good. Then it will be marked as average. Then if the reviews is 5000 plus, then it will be marked as
Cloud.
Most love.
Most
loved
loved.
product, right? And if it is zero, so then it will be marked as ignored, right? So I want to mark the product as ignored only when if the rating is also zero and the reviews is also zero. What does it means? It means if reviews is zero and rating is not zero, so then it will not be a ignored product. Okay. Let us see how to implement that. So I will be implementing with the help of DAX. You go ahead, click on new column. So I will simply create a new column. I will say it as product category. Okay. Let's use if statement. Okay. What will be the thing that we will be checking? Reviews, right? If reviews
And ratings.
equals to 0.
0.
Yeah. What else you need to
And
check if reviews is 0?
And ratings is also.
And like this? No, right?
no.
And you will be writing two ampersand
Ampersand
signs.
sign.
Okay. Then ratings equals to 0. Then comma. If it is true, guys, what you have to write?
Ignore.
Ignore.
No.
Right. So now in the else statement, that means you have to check once again. Like if it is not 0, then it is where? Lying where, right? So how to do that? If reviews is greater than 0 and reviews less than 2000, right? Then what it will be? Needs improvement, right? Then again, I will be writing one more if statement. If reviews less than, let me write it in brute force way. Okay, then we will optimize. Reviews less than 5000, then it will be what, guys? Average, right?
Yes.
Then other than that, I'm saying it is, if it is more than 5000, guys, what it will be?
Most low.
Most loud.
Good. First if closed, second if closed, third if closed. So guys, whatever we have implemented here, this is called as, can someone tell me, this is called as nested if, right? So now guys, is it clear what we have written here? Is anyone in the class have doubt?
Yes, sir. Sir, I just we are from very basic from non-IT background. So when we close this bracket, like, can you just have idea? So you have closed three bracket in the last time.
Yeah, so why I close three bracket? What is the syntax for if that we discussed yesterday? You will be having a condition and then the result that you want to return if the condition is true, and after comma the third argument will be the result that you have to return if the condition is false, right? Right,
Yes.
Nawaz? So if
Yes,
condition
sir.
is true, then we will be going ahead and marking the product as ignored, right? If this condition is not true, then you have to check again, right? Like if it is between 0 and 2000, isn't it? If this
Yes, sir.
condition is true, then we will mark it as needs improvement, right? If this condition is false, then you have to check again whether it is between 0 to 2000 to 5000 or not, right? If this condition is true, then we will mark as average. If this condition is not true, that means it is more than 5000, right? Otherwise, it would have been one of the bucket. So if it is more than 5000, then it is most loved. And then we are closing this if statement here, then the second if, and then the first if. Clear?
Got it.
Okay. Now, guys, this formula has some edge cases. Can you guys tell me, like, what will be the output if the reviews is 2000? If you have review as exactly 2000, what will be the output, guys?
Average.
Needs
Average? Are you sure?
needs improvement.
No, no, they'll not
We
tell you.
need to add 2000 or equal to 2000. Less
Less
than
than
or
equals
equal
to.
to 2000.
That is fine. You are jumping to the solution. I'm asking like what will be the output if it is 2000 with the current formula?
Needs improvement.
Are you
Because
sure?
we said
Ignored.
Ignored. Very good. Guys, let's backtrack. If reviews is 2000, reviews is equals to 0. True or false? 2000 is
True.
equals to 0. True or
False.
false?
False.
false.
False, right? This condition is false. So now it will go where? It will go in the else statement, right? Here. Right, guys?
Yes, yes.
So reviews is equals to 2000. 2000 greater than 0.
Yes.
Right? 2000 less than 2000. True or false?
False. Why
False.
it will be
False.
false?
False. False.
False, right? So then it will skip
False.
this and it will go to here.
Average.
Now 2000 greater than 2000, 2000 less than 5000. True or false?
False.
False.
False. It will skip this. What it will print?
Most loved.
Most loved.
Most loved. Right, guys? Are you all clear? What it will be printing?
Most loved.
Most loved. Right? But what we want? We want needs improvement, right? Isn't it, guys?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So you can simply go ahead and replace it with greater than, less than, equals to. Now what you will get? Guys,
Needs
now what you
We
will
will get
get?
the desired result like needs improvement.
Needs improvement.
improvement.
Yeah, because previously what you were doing, you were having the bucketing as like this. Let me write here. It was 1 to 199999 like this, right? And here it was 2001 to
499.
49999 like this, right? 2000 was not at all considered in any of the stuff. Clear, guys? What was happening? Similarly, now now tell me one thing. What will be the output if the reviews is 5000?
Make it less than or equal.
Again, you're telling me solution, guys. I'm talking about the output. What will be the output?
Most loved.
Most loud.
Most loved.
Most loved.
Most loved, right? And if you want to solve it exactly, make it less than equals to. Right?
Yes.
Sir, I had a doubt, like if in case all the three conditions are going false, why would it be most loved?
If in case all the three conditions are going to be false, why would it be most loved? So Sana, this is nothing. This is how the if statement works. If nothing is getting satisfied, then it will go to the else condition.
Yeah, but we didn't specify a separate else condition there, right? Like the third statement is also going false for the 2000.
Okay. Okay. I got your doubt. Let me explain you. Control X, comma. Can you read this thing? This is the syntax. Like if the logical test that you are doing is true, if it is true, then this will return this thing. If it is false, then it will return this thing. So now what is happening when you are saying 5000? When you are saying reviews is 5000, it is checking every condition, right? This is the if statement, first if statement, right? Sana, please respond. Only then you will get it. This is the first if statement, right? Sana?
Yes.
So you are saying 5000 is equals to 0. Is it true or false?
False.
False, right? So then it will go to the false thing. So this is the false thing of first if statement, right? Correct? Agree? You're not audible. Sorry.
Am I audible now?
Yeah, you are. So this is the false statement? Like if this condition is not true, it will go here. The execution, correct? Now 5000 is less than equals to 2000 or greater than 0. Is it true or false? False, right? So then what is the else statement for this if? This is the else statement, right? Correct? Now, again, we will be checking. Okay, Let me redo it. If it is less than equals to 5,000 or not. If is less than 5,000 is less than 5,000, this is again false. Then what is the else statement? Else statement is most loved.
You are not separately specifying it as basically anything after the comma will be the else part.
Not after the comma. First argument of the if statement will be the condition that you want to check. Second argument will be the result that you want to display if the condition is true. Third argument will be the result that you want to display if the condition is false. There are two commas, right? There are three parameters basically.
Yes, I got it.
Cool. Priyanka, you were getting unmuted. You have something?
No.
Guys, is it clear to everyone how this is working? This is the exact replica that we did in the conditional statement, right? What we are doing with DAX. But it was not possible with conditional statement. Why? Because we are using two columns here. Right, guys?
Yes. Yes, Indra.
Indra, in the third line, less than 5,000 or it should be less equal to 5,000?
It should be less than equals to. I changed it to explain it to Sana. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Indra, I have one question.
Yeah.
As we are implementing these kind of like formulas or whatever, so step by step, can we see how it is working while, I mean, like kind of debugging? So one
Yeah.
kind,
So Vidya, I am supposing like this is your first session. Is that the case? Have you missed the previous session?
no, I was there.
You was there, right? That is
Yeah.
fine. So step by step, when you say here, you can see, right? This is where we have covered like how the if statement work. Now, step by
Mhm.
step, if you want to do it, what you can do instead of this, instead of writing all the formula at once, you go ahead and write only one statement. Okay. Control X. Just do it
Yeah.
like this. Like if you want to do it in very brute force way, let it be blank
Okay.
for others. Okay. So now you will be getting ignored only when it is zero. Other than that, it will be blank.
Okay, like that.
Yeah, right. This
Okay,
is how
don't
you
we
can
have
break your
any?
formula.
Yeah. Okay.
Getting it. And if you want to make it more this thing, you can add one more condition and you can say if it is not getting to implemented, it should be blank. You can do like this. And if you want to check actually it is working fine, you can go ahead and apply filters here, right? You can say rating, it should be 0. Okay, actually the issue is like I'm not able to see the apply filter because my screen is in sharing mode. Let me try to apply with the help of equal. Otherwise you will be able to apply it directly.
Okay.
Equal 0. Okay, and I will apply one more filter here, which will be 0. Here you go. Now here you should get what? Everything
Ignore.
is ignored, right? You are getting
Yeah.
only ignored. You're not getting any blank or needs improvement. That means your formula is working fine. This is how you will debug.
Okay. Okay. So there is no any other option like we can after pasting, matlab, after finishing all the complete formula, then one by step we can't go.
This is how you will be going step by step. Like there is no debugger or something like there is in code, right? This is just expression. So you have to do
Okay.
the data sanity checking like this step by step by checking the data.
Okay.
Okay, because this is not the thing that is executing line by line. This is just a formula that you are
Yes.
writing.
Yeah. Understood in that. Thank you.
Thank you. Cool. So guys, it is already 9:28, 9:29. That's fine. So let me tell you, like, as I already told you, we will be creating a lot of columns. So now I want you to go ahead and I want you to think, just think the approaches. We will implement it tomorrow. Tomorrow we will be having full-fledged session and we will be learning a lot of DAX functions tomorrow. So I want you to go ahead and I want you to analyze the data and think how you can create a column which will extract the RAM size, the hard disk size, the processor type, the brand of the laptop, and the operating system. These 5 things. Are you getting the ask?
Yes.
So, okay, Priyanka is getting it because she already worked on Power BI. I'm expecting like she will get it. What about others? Are you guys getting what I'm saying?
Yes, Indra.
Okay.
Can you repeat again?
Yeah, Bipul, what I'm saying, I want you to go ahead and brainstorm like how you can create a column which will have the RAM size, 18 GB, 16 GB or something, right? What is the type of operating system of your laptop, right? What is the hard disk size or SSD size? What is the brand of your laptop? And last thing will be the processor type. Getting it?
Yes,
So
yes. What do you want to do, sir? So
No, I don't want to do anything. I want you to go ahead and check how you can create these 5 columns.
okay.
Okay. Like if you have this product, suppose example of this product. This product has how much RAM size? Can someone tell me?
16 GB.
16 GB. So I want you to create a column which will have RAM size 16 GB. Column name will be RAM size and the value will be 16 GB for this line. And what will be the processor type?
Windows.
Intel Core i5.
I5.
It is Intel, right? i5 is the generation,
Yeah.
Intel Core.
right? Then what is the operating system?
Windows 11. Windows 11.
Windows. I don't want to go into that details. You can simply say Windows. Okay. And what is the hard disk size? 1 TB, right? What is the brand of this product? HP, right?
HP.
So this is what I want you to extract from this string. Check in dataset if you have something else also you can do. I don't want you to go ahead and create the column or something. I will be telling you tomorrow what are the functions, what are the different ways to do it. Just try to see how you can get it. Like as a human being, like if I will tell you, okay, you have to create this for all 960 columns which are there in the data set, how you can create it. Okay. Is it making sense, guys?
Sorry, Indra. Sorry.
Yes.
So basically, it's just to create the columns using dataset functionality, correct?
Yeah, so Ada, like I will be covering tomorrow, like how to create. Okay. I want you
Okay.
to just figure out the approach. Like if you are splitting it, what will be the delimiter? Okay. Getting it?
Okay. Okay. Getting,
Yeah.
getting.
You don't, I'm not asking you to go ahead and research and develop the columns. I just want you to go ahead and think on it. That's it. How we will be doing it.
Okay. Okay.
Cool. So guys, that is it. I will keep it short for the day. We took a lot of time in the doubt solving and all. So we will be meeting tomorrow and we will be having a full stretch session tomorrow. Yeah. If you
Yeah,
have
we
any
should.
doubts, you guys can go ahead. Yeah, Nawaz, go ahead, please.
So from tomorrow, so we should have to enroll today only or tomorrow, like once tomorrow also the free session or like so.
Tomorrow is not a free session. You will not be getting link. You have to attend from the portal, the Datavision portal that Mahesh was showing, right?
Okay, okay. So we have to enroll today.
Yeah, you have to enroll today.
Indra,
So we
can you please share dataset in WhatsApp?
Yeah, I was trying to share, but somehow I was not able to. Let me see once again if I can do it right away. Meanwhile, people who have doubts, you guys can go ahead. I will let you know once it is done. Okay?
Okay.
Stopping sharing for a moment. Let me try to share it right away. KSR PPT session updates. I hope all of you are now in WhatsApp group, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Guys, it will be fun. And tomorrow I will have a formal introduction session with you guys, all the enrolled student. You guys can go ahead in the first 10 minutes. You guys can introduce me, like your profile, where you are working, what is your current CTC, what you are expecting from us, and all, right? Where you stand. So that we are building that connect. Obviously, we can't discuss it here because all these are personally identifiable information, right? PII, and it is going to YouTube. So I don't want to have it available for the entire world. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Great.
Yes, I have pasted the data set. It is getting uploaded. It will be with you in few minutes, okay? In the WhatsApp.
Okay, Indra, thank you.
Cool. So I hope guys now all of your doubt are cleared regarding the Power Platform course and all.
Yes.
Thank you, Indra.
Thank you. So guys who don't have any doubt, they can drop off. It's already 6 minutes over. And the people who have
Yes.
doubt, they can tell me. Yes. Yes, Vijay Rao, you have something? Cool. So in that case, can I take silence as no doubts?
Thank you, Indra. Bye.
Okay. Thank you guys. Have a good day ahead. Let's meet again tomorrow.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Thanks, Indra.
Bye-bye.